Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Black Shark 4, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, access Play Store and click on the search bar. Over here you need to type Magic Fluids and download this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. Over here you can customize your wallpaper however you want to. And when you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!